Hi, good evening, class. I hope I'm loud and clear to both of you.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Okay. So, as in the last session, we have planned that we will be starting the revision from this session. So, in this session, we are going to proceed with the revision of coordinate geometry, as I told you all before about it. I hope that you have watched the recordings of chapter number 13.
Yes.
Okay. So, first, we will proceed with the formulas. So, that will help you to recall the formulas that we have. Okay. So the few important pointers that you all have to remind. Okay. Distance formula between 2 points. ठीक है. Then area of triangle. I hope you are able to recall these formulas.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Noting or already have?
Ma'am,
Yes,
already.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then collinearity, star formula, इसी में you can have K type question. ठीक है. After this you will find slope represented by m. Generally m is equals to tan theta, and you will have the formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Then we have condition of parallelism. This is m1 dot m2 should equal to 0. Then we have m1 dot m2 is equals to 1. This is condition of perpendicularism.
-1, ma'am.
ठीक है. So these are
Minus. Yes, ma'am.
these are the must learn formulas. You can't skip any of the formula. Okay, also acha one section formula I missed in between. So we have two formulas, internal and the external. Internal division and external division. Internal division. Ratio, let's suppose m is to n. So capital X is equals to m x2 plus n x1, m plus n. Formula for y respectively, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n, external division. I am representing with x dash in order to differentiate between the two.
Noted now.
Okay, and then midpoint. Centroid of a triangle. I request both of you to check this if there is any doubt. इनमें से
No.
any formula you can't skip it. You have to learn each and every formula.
Okay.
These are the must learn formulas if you want to have an idea, so you have to solve all these questions. Just give me a minute. I hope guys my screen is visible, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's proceed with the questions of chapter number
थोड़ा
3.
फोन पे थोड़ा बड़ा
Zoom कर रही हूँ. This question belongs to the chapter number 13 itself, that we have to find out intercept. So intercept means on x-axis intercepts it's going to be a comma 0, and on intercept on the y-axis it is going to be 0 comma y. So whenever you want to put the intercept on the x-axis, put y is equals to 0, and similarly for other. Okay,
7/2 मिल
ठीक है. I hope Pranav this is clear to you also.
Yes, ma'am. मैम Z को भी 0 लेंगे.
हाँ, z को भी 3D ज्योमेट्री का हो गया ना, एक्स वाई जेड हो गया.
ओके मैम.
Chapter 14 I have not make you to revise yet. Let me check for chapter number 13. So as you can notice here that in this chapter there are not much questions asked from chapter number 13. Only one question is there. Yes. So let me take you to the another one. This website. Okay. So I will take few questions which were asked in the before 2020. Okay. So these are also from the sample matlab PYQs. These are. Please, I request both of you to copy the questions, and if you can solve them, then please quickly do this. This is a comma minus a and b comma minus b. Asked for 2 marks. It was before the paper revision, है ना? It was before when the paper was entirely subjective. So at that time, this question was asked. So will it be fine whether I write first all the questions?
Yes.
And then we can proceed with the solutions. And at the same time, you all can try the questions.
Yes.
So that will save our time. The questions which will make you feel struggle, that I will solve for you.
Ma'am, question number 1 answer is 2a square plus 2b square.
Minus 4ab.
Now, no, I think both
Under
of
root. Under root 2a square plus 2b square minus 4ab.
wrong.
No.
Let me solve it. Just a minute. Let me finish this and I will solve the solution. This is 2 comma minus 2. Find k. Okay. So we have to find out distance between the 2 points. We have a comma minus a and we have point. Sorry guys, it is plus b. So as you have solved it for minus b, so I will solve it for minus b only. But in the exam, it is asked as with plus b only. Okay. So maybe that's why your answer is different from what I have with me. So it's going to be b minus a ka whole square plus minus b plus a ka whole square.
यही किया.
So this is b square. That's my typo. It was plus b, but I have taken here as minus b. So this is minus 2ab, and this is going to be b square plus a square minus 2ab. Yes. This is going to be the answer for the question, but in the exam it was asked as plus b, so do solve it with plus sign also. Okay, now proceed with the question number 3. Sorry, question number 2. A comma b, then a1 comma b1, then points I have as a minus a1, b minus b1.
Ma'am, what is point C in question number 2?
Point C, it is going to be 5 by 2 comma k.
Okay, ma'am.
Please solve the 2 and 3 question.
Fifteen by two. Second, sir. No.
Yes. This is 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 2, pi by 2 comma k.
No, 15 by 2 answer करें.
Uh,
15, 10, 25.
I think it should, for me, it should be as minus 11 by 2 or 1 by 2.
Yes.
Check once again calculation. So I am given with the area, so it's going to be 3 by 2, it is equals to 1 by 2. Then coordinates are going to be 2, 3, 5 by 2, and this is minus 3 minus 2 k 1 1 1. I will prefer to cancel this 2 from here to only. Okay, so I can say 3 is equals to this expanding along R1, so 2 row eliminated, column eliminated, minus 2 minus k plus 3 row will be eliminated, column will be eliminated, 3 minus 5 by 2,
11 ही आएगा मैम, 11 ही आएगा.
11 ही आएगा, it's
वो
3k
3 को नहीं किया.
plus 10 by 2. Pranav, are you able to have the same answer? It should be minus 11 by 2 or 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Two values you should have the value for k. Either k is equals to 1 by 2 or minus 11 by 2. Okay, so if this question is clear, if this is clear, then proceed with this question. Will be asked in paper for 4 marks, and the above can be asked in 2 marks. Ten questions. 36 questions I have for this session, so do it fastly. Able to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranav, I hope you are able to solve.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. Pranav, in case if you are not clear with any of the answer, then you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear with question number 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One marks question. Now you can find this in MCQ. One marks question.
Five. Five.
5? Yes,
Yes.
your answer is correct. Pranav, I hope you are able to have the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please solve this. I think two are able to recall the formula. I didn't make you to
M1
write.
minus M2 beta
Yes,
1 plus
yes.
M1 M.
You have to be cautious that here we are only considering the positive value. So value, that's why we prefer to take here the modular symbol. M1 minus M2 upon M1
Pi by
dot,
4, ma'am.
sorry, pi by 4, yes. Pranav, I hope you are able to find theta is equals to 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let us proceed with the next questions. I think so far how many we have done? 3, 4, and this is 5. Sixth question.
यस मैडम, 6 तो हो गया। अंडर रूट 50 और अंडर रूट 50 है। ये मैडम 7 का सी नहीं दिख रहा मैम मेरे को।
7th का सी, दिस इज -1, 0.
यस। ना 8th में ना तीनों पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे। ये इसी साइड की क्या वैल्यू है? साइड की क्या
2a,
यूटिलिटी?
2a. यू हैव
ये
टू
किस
चेक,
लिए?
चेक करना है कि उस सबकी साइड कितनी होनी चाहिए, 2a आने चाहिए।
हाँ, तो वो मतलब वो तो वैसे ही मतलब
हाँ,
ठीक
बट
है।
स्पेसिफिकली 2a ही आनी चाहिए, दैट्स द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग। So 5, they are not asking you to prove it whether it is a equilateral triangle, तो फिर वो कुछ भी आ जाता, बट वो स्पेसिफिकली 2a ही जब आएगा तभी यू विल बी गिवन 4 मार्क्स।
ये अंडर रूट 5a का -6a का होल स्क्वायर कैसे करेंगे हम?
Pranav, I hope you have solved question number 6 and 7.
Yes, ma'am, on 7.
Okay, please do it and then I will proceed with the question number 8.
इसको वैसे ही करेंगे ना मैम, 5a करके a - b का होल स्क्वायर करके ना।
Clear?
यस मैम।
6a minus 2a, I am directly writing. This is going to be 4a minus root 3a, or I will just do it in 2 steps. If this is clear,
Yes, ma'am.
Now simplify this. Art 36 and 8, it is 48a square. So I will prefer to take this as common. So I will have 2a, but inside of this I will left with 12 minus root 3 by 5 का root. Calculate similarly CA and tell me whether you are having the 2a or not.
ये सी में मैम दूसरी वैल्यू क्या है?
Root
एक
of
मिनट, अंडर
5a.
रूट टू। यस।
Root of 5a. Do I have added here correctly? It is 8. It should be
44 मैम।
44. It should be 44. So 44 में से ये 11 आ जाएगा, right? बट ये रूट ऑफ 5 रह जाएगा.
ना ये 5 पे स्क्वायर कैसा है? 5 पे आना चाहिए था ना ये तो।
कहाँ पे?
अंडर रूट 5 पे का होल स्क्वायर होगा तो 5 ए आएगा ना
हाँ.
ये रूट वैल्यू में आएगा कुछ में।
Sorry. So I think in this question there are some coordinate issue. कुछ coordinate में value है. So I think it should not be this root part नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि whatever calculation we will be doing, but ultimately when we will be expanding the 2ab term, we will left with 2a का term. Just leave this question for now. I will just recheck this coordinates and will let you know. Proceed with the next question. It is question number 9. Please solve this.
-1/3.
It should be +1/3. Check it once. Internal division. If you will have minus, then you will just simply write externally dividing.
No, ma'am. Then
Solve question number 10. Just give me a minute.
इसमें मैडम डिस्टेंस ही निकालनी है ना, दोनों की पैरेलल
पहले
पैरेलल
मिड
हो।
पॉइंट you will first find out the midpoint. Say
हाँ,
midpoint theorem से you will find out the coordinates of EFGH.
x1
फिर
+ x2
हाँ
by 2.
divide by 2 and then उसके बाद में you will use the distance formula.
तो मैम डायरेक्ट भी तो कर सकते हैं इसको, ए बी बी
कैसे
सी मिड
कैसे
पॉइंट
कर
निकालने की तो जरूरत है,
नहीं
ए बी और बी सी।
मिड पॉइंट की निकालने की जरूरत है. It is like this. ABCD is a quadrilateral. It can be anything. अब इनके मिड पॉइंट से जो बन रहा है, तो जब मुझे इनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स ही नहीं पता तो मैं कैसे उसको ये बता सकती हूँ कि ये क्या होंगे.
आपने
राइट.
बीच बीच वाले के लिए पूछा है पैरेललोग्राम में, ई एफ जी एच के लिए, ए बी सी डी के
हाँ.
लिए लिखा है उसमें मैडम
नहीं.
क्वेश्चन।
नहीं.
अच्छा, ई एफ जी तो
ठीक है. प्लीज सॉल्व दिस.
यस मैम 20/5/4 अंडर रूट आ रहा है, 2 लिम पैरेलल आ रहा है अंडर रूट 25/4।
I hope, Pranav, you are also clear with this.
Yes.
Okay, so I think all gotten basic idea that what type of the question you can find from this chapter. In the next session we will be proceeding with the few more questions on this chapter, as well as we will proceed with the chapter number 14. So kindly watch the recording for chapter number 14. Okay.
यस मैम, थैंक यू,
Okay, then bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you so much.